Hello everyone, my name is Paulina and today is a really important day because it's my first day as a yoga teacher. I'm volunteering a class and I'm kind of excited and a bit scared. I really want to share the before the class and after the class with you so you can feel the experience of trying something new and being in some kind of a doubt before the action and how the energy will shift after this class, this event, this something on your mind that we are going to do for the first time in our lives. And I think it's really important to have a spark of inspiration to try something different, to try something, mm, change direction in your life. And this video before and after the yoga class is for me as well as a proof that I can be confident, and gaining confidence over time is like a really natural thing. And I'm a little bit stressed, a little bit, most of it is excitement, that I'm really curious how it will works out, how it will work out. If it's something that I will like for myself to be a teacher. Maybe I just love yoga and I love to practice, and it's really, I think that it's really good experience as well if we don't know if we like something or not, and if it comes to that we don't like it, it's a really fun experience to have as a human. So sometimes we are worrying about, for me, for example, today, that I'm going to say something wrong, that I'm not going to feel the time passing or something like that. And I'm thinking about mistakes that I saw in other teachers, in other classes. And my thinking there was like, oh my god, it's so cute, somebody made mistakes. And just to be human and experience life as it is, not exactly like the perfect scripted life. I really think it's important try to just try and see what happens. Maybe it will be a amazing experience, amazing new chapter, and maybe it's an amazing lesson that we will have experienced to have another chapter, to have another experiences. I think of it that way. And let's catch up in the evening or tomorrow morning so we can share the thoughts and shifted energies, or maybe dropped. We will see. But see you guys in a minute. Bye bye. Hello, guys. Today is the day after the class I ran yesterday, and I am so grateful for the experience because it was really great, and I felt calm and at peace because I felt that I belong there and I'm doing something that I really, really like. And that is the proof that I needed to have for myself, that these all silly doubts that I had yesterday, it was just a silly doubt, And to be honest, the experience was just like super normal experience that I needed to gain after deciding to be a yoga teacher. So I really really like how it turns out that there was nothing to worry about, and right now I'm going to celebrate a little and just enjoy that I'm going to prepare next class and the next class and the next and the next, and I'm going to gain more experience. Really appreciate you being here, so thank you for that. And we will see on Sunday in our meditation session. So hope you be there, and we'll meet there, and see you soon. Bye bye.